There's a lot of benefits to the Teleskid over regular skid steers. I don't know if I can list all of them. Some of the benefits are, in practical terms, it's just great for the guys to get in and out. That side door, it's so much easier to get in and out. I would buy it for just that reason. But there's more. It's the visibility. You can actually see your forks. It's for the first time you can look out the front window and see your bucket and your forks. Just so much better because it's not obstructed by the other arm. And then you can see to the side. You lift the arm a little bit and you can see all. And of course, the huge benefit is that telescoping boom. We use it all the time. We wonder, how did we ever use a skid steer without it? Meadowlark Log Homes is a family-owned business, and it's in the third generation. Our father started the company, and then my sons, our children, and my brother's children are also involved with the company. We've been in family business for over 40 years, and we started small with some log cabins and homes. My interest in JCB got really perked when I was looking around to replace our old wheel loaders, and those are gone. We sold those, a dresser and a John Deere. We sold 2 wheel loaders and 3 special attachments, so 5 pieces of machinery got sold to make room for the one Teleskid JCB who does the job of all of those. I got really interested when I went to JCB website and I found the Teleskid, and that really intrigued me, the telescoping boom, and I was familiar with tracked machines, and so it didn't take long for us to order one, and we're really happy with it. It's got a little over 100 hours on it so far, so it's new for us, but it's beautiful. We've had lots of skid steers over the years. We've purchased many brand new and used, like skid steers, track loaders, about the same size, usually that 10 to 12,000 pound machine. And while they're all good machines, there's some really disadvantages, which you'll automatically know what I'm going to say about that. You got to climb in the front, you can't see out of them, and they don't have a telescoping boom. That's a strike against it. Probably the only skid steer or track loader that I'll ever buy again is going to have to be, it's going to have a side door to get in and out. It's going to have a telescoping boom. And that's just the bottom line. I feel really sorry for my friends at the other brands. I love some of the other companies. Are great machines. But if they're not telescoping, I wouldn't buy one. They're going to be left behind. This is so much better for reaching, and you'd be surprised how many times you really need that feature to reach across a truck, or everything that you're doing, even loading hay bales onto a tractor trailer or off of a trailer. So there's so many uses that you need that extra reach for. It seems to me that the future of skid steers or compact track loaders is a Teleskid. That's what I feel. It's the future for me, and whether that's the future for everybody, I don't know, but it definitely has so many benefits or better features. So it seems like the future to me. I would highly recommend the Teleskid over regular skid steers to anybody in construction or agriculture in a particular application where you need reach and where you want to enter and exit with ease instead of climbing in and diving in. It's very uncomfortable, the old style skid steers. So this is a winning combination. We've been very pleased with that feature.